Welcome to Food Dealing, ready for adventure. Let's do this together. Pour some oil into the pot, add a pinch of saffron, and mix well. Now add 1/3 of our pre-cooked rice over the saffron and oil. Mix the rice thoroughly with the saffron until every grain is beautifully golden. Next, let's add the rest of the rice on top. We need a mix of boiling water and oil to perfectly brew our rice. Place the pot on medium heat and gently pour the water and oil mixture over the rice. After a few minutes, reduce the flame and cover the pot. Our saffron rice will be ready in about 30 to 40 minutes. Let's prepare the onion for our chicken marinade. Grate it very finely to get the best flavor. Now, take the grated onion and squeeze out the juice completely. Mix 350 grams of chicken with 150 grams of onion juice, salt, coriander, red pepper powder, and saffron. This blend will give our chicken a stunning flavor and color. Next, we'll use a freezer bag to shape our chicken mixture into kebabs. Time to fry. Place the kebabs in a preheated pan. Fry each side for about 5 minutes until they're perfectly golden. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this video. Have any questions? Drop us a comment below. I hope you enjoyed our cooking video. Enjoy your saffron pan-fried chicken. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.